After finishing your storage deployment, the most important thing you should pay attention to is data protection. We provide several kinds of backup solutions in our system. You can find Snapshot, Local Replication, and Remote Replication on the Protection tab. All you have to do is enable a protection plan. And then, the wizard will direct you to complete the settings. For our remote replication, you can just log into your remote storage system, and the system will automatically build a proper environment to fulfill your source target.